This is our Wedges by Tania and Adriana.
Efficiency transport. Pros. It can double the efficiency of the world's cars from 30 to 60 miles per hour. It will cut down on carbon emissions from vehicles. Cons. Have to find a new form of fuel that is cheap and strong. Who will like this? People who drive a car to work and commute long distances.
Efficiency buildings. Pros. We will just be using new technology on already existing buildings. It will increase insulation and lighting efficiency. You will be reusing already existing stuff. It can save a lot of money for industries. Cons. The size of each individual building will vary. This includes like houses and big buildings such as in the cities. Who will like this? Industries and big buildings, skylines such as New York City would like this because it would keep air isolated. May also provide new jobs.
CC electricity. Pros. It is reusable, stores a lot of carbon, produces about 1/4 of the world's carbon emissions. CO2 has a lot to do with the atmosphere. Cons. There can be a possibility of a CO2 leakage. Who will like this? Large companies or factories that produce large amounts of CO2.
Fuel switching electricity. Pros. It can eliminate or replace present coal, which makes coal burning and electric plants non-existing anymore. It can run more efficiently than coal, and only half of the emissions of coal would be produced. Cons. Fracking is dangerous and expensive. It possibility of running out of natural gas in the future, just like petroleum and its present-day problem today. Natural gas availability. Who will like this? Electric companies and natural gas companies will like this because it will have an alternative fuel energy use and more money and harder to get. It will be more money to get and harder.
Wind electricity. Pros. It's free, renewable, less air/water pollution. Cons. Wind isn't a constant speed. It could be noisy. Many people wouldn't like it in their backyard. Who would like this? People with windmills, people with farms because they will have enough space to put windmills.
Wind hydrogen. Pros. Powers cars, only emissions product is water vapor. Cons. Maybe not safe, high cost, requires a lot of wind to be produced. And who will like this? Big cars. People who own big cars because it will be more safe and the high cost won't be as high.
Forest storage. Pros. It is halting deforestation in 50 years. Cons. Biodiversity, competing land use. Who will like this? Countries with big forests and countries with enough forests.
Soil storage. Pros. Farmers can have jobs, agricultural practices can be made. Cons. At some part of the land, soil can be bad, and this could reduce soil carbon content. Who will like this? Farmers because they have agriculture and land. Farmers who have to plant